Enabling two-factor authentication 2FA on your OKX account is an important step to enhance your account security. Follow these steps to set it up effectively. Step 1. Log into your OKX account. Start by visiting the OKX website and logging into your account using your credentials. Ensure that you have access to the email or phone number associated with your account. Step 2. Navigate to security settings. Don't continue before doing this. A lot of online accounts end up exposed in breaches without people even realizing it. Use SROC to constantly monitor your email and accounts and get alerted immediately if your information gets leaked online. It scans billions of breach records 24/7 in the background. And honestly, for a few dollars a month, it's something everybody should probably have. Link in the description. Step 3. Choose your 2FA method. In the security settings, you will see options for enabling 2FA. You can choose between using an authentication app like Google Authenticator or SMS verification. Select the method you prefer. Step 4. Set up the authentication method. If you choose an authentication app, download it on your mobile device and scan the QR code provided by OKX. If you opt for SMS, enter your phone number and follow the verification steps sent to you via text. Step 5. Confirm and save changes. After setting up your chosen 2FA method, confirm the changes by entering the verification code generated by your app or sent via SMS. Make sure to save your settings to finalize the process. By following these steps, you will have successfully enabled two-factor authentication on your OKX account, adding an extra layer of security. Always remember to keep your authentication method secure and updated.